So after watching the science of persuasion video, something I kind of thought that could help me later on is the first point they brought up, reciprocity. That's like giving people things in order to kind of get something in return, but it's not about what you give them. It's more so about how you give them that. And that could be like even something as little as a compliment. I mean, if you're sincere and you mean it, they're obviously going to think highly of you and probably give you a compliment back just because of the way you said it or the way you did it. Something else I took away from this video that I think could help me later on in life is the consistency factor. So I like to play sports and do all this, but I mean, I'm consistent with that and I stay on top of it, but it's taught me about commitment, which they brought up, and it's easy to be committed to something you have to be at, but if someone asks you to do something and you tell them you'll do it, but say something else comes up that's a little less important, but you still want to do it, and you just blow off what you told that person, that's a little bit of like inconsistency, and you're not very committed to something. And I feel that that's something I need to work on, because I've told people that I'll do something and something comes up and I forget about my commitment, and honestly it makes me feel bad, but it's just something I got to work on in order to make myself feel better and help me succeed, because commitment is a big part of growing up in everything you do. I mean, now we have girlfriends. I mean, you start with that commitment, then you get married, start with that commitment. Then after that, I mean, you're in college and you got a family, you got a job, a career. It's all commitment. It has to do with the consistency thing. You have to start being committed now in order to be committed later. So basically what I took from it was not necessarily giving people things, but being sincere in giving people things, like such as compliments or small gifts, and the consistency thing. Just be true to your word and stay committed.